This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can obviously see, my parental controls on my device are enabled. So in order for me to get rid of them once and for all, I will need to launch settings, then enter the Google category. From here, go for the Manage Your Google Account button. Onwards, open the Data and Privacy category. In here, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, we will need to input the account password. So let me quickly do that. So here is the field you will need to enter the password to. So after you have successfully input the password, tap at the next button to your bottom right. Then once you've made it to the Delete Your Google Account page, check the two boxes you have at the bottom of the saved page. Then go for the Delete Account button. And at this point, once the Google account is successfully deleted, that means that the parental controls were also successfully deactivated. So let me quickly prove that to you. So as you can see, the Google accounts gradually disappears over here, so it no longer has the proper account name nor the account actual email address. And I guess if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the parental controls were successfully deactivated. Now I gotta show how you can recover the Google account you have just deleted so you will not lose it. As that's even a simpler procedure. Simply log into said account with sign into said account into the Google app or Google service, pretty much. So I'll go with Play Store, for example. So enter the email address. Then you should see the following message that actually tells you that you did everything right. After this message, you gotta input your account password. Then, simply proceed with the Google sign-in procedure or process. And once you finish that, you'll see that the account was successfully restored or recovered. And the parental controls were also taken care of. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.